Volume of rectangular and triangular prisms. Volume is how many cubic units can fit inside of the particular shape here. So a cubic unit, a little box, 1 unit by 1 unit by 1 unit. So in this case, this picture here is in inches. So a 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch box a cube. How many of those could we put inside of this larger figure? And the way we figure that out is we take the length times the width times the height. So the length here is 10. The width is 3. And the height is 4. 10 times 3 is 30. Times that by 4. 30 times 4 is 120. Our unit is inches and volume is 3. We are in the third dimension. We are figuring out how many fit inside, how many cubic units. So there'd be 120 little 1-inch cubes that would fit inside of that box. If you're given a triangular prism that looks like this, we would take 1/2 times base times height. And notice in my formula, that part is in parentheses. That's because that part is just the triangle. And then we have to times that by the height of the prism. So 1/2 times base times height is area of a triangle. So 1/2, the base of that triangle is 8. And the height of that triangle would be 3. And then we have to multiply that by how tall is this figure if we were to flip it up and have it sit on its base, which is the triangle. So this one would be 12 centimeters tall. 1/2 times 8 is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. And then 12 times 12 is 144 centimeters, and our unit, our label is to the 3rd power.